And today was the day that President Biden earmarked for COVID booster shots for tens of millions of Americans. But the FDA is saying not so fast. A panel of advisors rejected the plan, saying only those with compromised immune systems, as well as senior citizens, should get a third Pfizer shot. NBCNews.com senior White House reporter Shannon Pettypiece joins us now. Shannon, how is the Biden administration responding to what some perceive as a setback here?
Well, they say they're going to follow the recommendation for the FDA and the CDC. Obviously, the administration back in August put out a very rather detailed statement saying that they believed, based on the data that they had seen at the time, that everyone in the general population 16 and over should be able to start getting a booster shot. That their timeline they had set out was September 20th. This FDA advisor saying something differently. The CDC will get a chance to weigh in next week. The FDA says they will follow whatever advice they get from those agencies, but definitely a bit of a setback given how strongly administration officials had come out in favor of boosters last month.
And Shannon, the president announced this aggressive COVID booster timeline well before the FDA panel met to talk about the Pfizer booster shot. What are the experts, what are the health officials saying about all this?
Well, that was a highly unusual move, and the White House tried to emphasize that that recommendation was coming from the top public health officials like the head of the CDC and the FDA, not from the president and the White House himself, but still created some controversy. Here's what the president's chief scientific advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, had to say in defending that decision over the weekend.
That was a plan that was always contingent, and every one of us said that, contingent upon the FDA's normal regulatory process together with their advisors to make a decision as to exactly what that rollout would look like. So I understand why there might be confusion, because I think people were not understanding the difference of planning for something and actually what element of that, what proportion of it you're actually going to roll out.
And, indeed, there has been some confusion because more than 1 million people have already gotten a third shot. And right now, a third shot's only recommended for people who have a serious immune condition that could put them at risk.
All right, NBCNews.com senior White House reporter Shannon Pettypiece. Shannon, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.